Hello guys, this is Nana's Creole Cuisine. So today we have something new for you. So it's not really 100% Haitian cuisine, but it's a mixture. So we have crab meat and green plantains. So come in the kitchen, see what come out of this. Come on, we are waiting for you. First, you wanna break the crab meat in pieces. Put some lime juice. So we add in garlic, a little bit of chopped sweet pepper, chopped onions, parsley, hot pepper, a little bit each. I would mix dry spice, so you can use any flavor. About a tablespoon. You want to mix it while it's in the, you leave it for a while in the season. So now I'm going to move on with the plantain. Peel off. Wow, very good. I cut the too high. You want to clean it before you cut. That's it. Take it out of the water. So I'm going to cut open half. Okay. Everything at once. So drop the plantain. You don't have to let those veggie overcooked. I'm not gonna let you. Basil. Right now we're going to prepare our salt water. So for us Haitian, when we do fried plantain, we prepare that salt water, so you will see the process. So we put some salt, so some garlic sauce just for the flavor. Adobo. Okay, and then we mix that together. Ready to remove. Now I'm going to flap our plantain. So we have something that called pez. Okay, so we use it to press our plantain, but this is the long way, so we just use that method so we can get what we need. Okay, the process, don't leave it for too long. Boom. Okay, not for too long. Add your cheese, any flavor, any type of cheese you want. Here we go, guys. Next step. Oh, wow. You want to add some green. Eat your green, eat your green, 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 green. You got green cheese, green cheese. Eh, there we go. Here we go, guys. This is the result of green plantain and crab meat. So let's see what's inside. Let's discover it. Ooh. Oh. It's hot, guys. Very hot. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. The true moment. Reveal the baby. So like I said, you can try with green. So I like mine with green. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. This is very good, guys. This is amazing. The flavors, the taste, the green plantain, and then the crab meat, and you have that little sweetness in there, and the basil, all the flavors actually, it's in there. It's the bomb. So please try this, and then let me know where you try it. And remember, subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment below, and then God bless you. So enjoy. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. That's good, babe. You want some? Good.